Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is approval process. An approval process is an automated way of submitting the record for approval. It is a type of business process that includes steps to formally approve work from different levels of the organization. The work can include budget, invoices, project outlines, marketing initiatives, or any other items that need a series of approvals from different departments. An approval process also specifies the actions to take when a record is approved, rejected, recalled, or first submitted for approval. There are two ways to create approval process: jump start wizard, simple and one step. If we want to create a simple approval process, standard setup wizard, if we want to create a complex or multi-step approval process. Steps to create approval process: setup, platform tools, process automation, approval process. Choose object, then choose wizard. Step 1, enter process name. Step 2, specify entry criteria. Only records which are meeting the criteria. Step 3, specify approver field and record editability properties. Step 4, select notification templates. Step 5, select fields to display on approval page layout. Step 6, specify initial submitters. Let's see an example. Create an approval process to ensure that any opportunity with amount greater than 80K requires approval from a manager. Approval process name: opportunity amount approval. Description: approval process for opportunities with amount greater than 80K. Test the scenario. Log in to user A account, create an opportunity record, finally click the Submit for Approval button, select the Salesforce Network user as the approver, again log in as Salesforce Network account, approve or reject the request, verify the changes. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. Sometimes it's asking for a verification of code. So at the email address you are getting your code. So we get login to our Salesforce account. So setup, platform tools, process automation, approval process. Approvals are complex business processes that require information gathering and planning before implementing. It is recommended that you follow the instructions below before getting started. Approval processes for, we are going just for opportunity. Create new approval process. Use jump start wizard. Use standard setup wizard. We are going with this one. So step 1, enter name and description. Here I am providing the process name, opportunity, amount, approval, unique name. By default it's taking up. Description: approval process for opportunities with amount greater than 80,000. Click next. Step 2, specify entry criteria, that is opportunity amount must be greater than 80K. Next. Step 3, specify approver field and record editability properties. So I am going with default. Click next. Step 4, select notification templates, leave it. Next. Step 5, select fields to display on approval page layout, available fields, selected fields, so opportunity name, opportunity owner, amount, and type. And all the settings I am going with default. Click next. Specify initial submitters. So here I am taking owner, opportunity owner. Click save. What would you like to do now? You have just created an approval process. However, you cannot activate this process until you define at least one approval step. Would you like to do that now? Yes, I would like to create approval step now. Go. So here I am providing the name opportunity approval. Step number 1. Click next. So all records should enter this step. Click next. Select assigned approver. Let the submitter choose the approver manually. Automatically assigned to approver. I am going with default one. Click save. So I will do this later. Take me to the approval process detail page to review what I have just created. Go. So process name, opportunity amount approval, description, approval process for opportunities with amount greater than 80K. So initial submission action, click new. Click task, assign to, I am making to myself. New opportunity, due date is opportunity created date plus 1, status in progress. New opportunity in the comment. Click save. So next, final approval action. Click on add new field update. So here I am providing update stage. Field to update stage. I am making it closed 1. Save. So final approval action, final rejection action. Again I am clicking on field update. So again stage, I am making it need analysis. Click save. And some more options are there. Recall action. So we had created the process initial submission action. New opportunity task is there. Then approval step, opportunity approval, final approval action, making the field update to closed one, and final rejection action, making the opportunity stage update need analysis. Click on activate. After activating this approval process, you cannot add or remove approval steps. Also, some approval step attributes will not be editable. Continue. Okay. So name, we had created name and description, entry criteria, approver field and record editability, notification template, approval page layout, initial submitters. So let's log into our second account user. Just open the opportunities. Click new. Create a new opportunity over here. Approval process, opportunity 1. I am giving the amount value, that is 85k. Our condition is of more than 80k. Close date, it's mandatory. We have to provide. Stage name I am giving prospecting and clicking on save button. So let's see the details. 85k prospecting. So just submit for approval. Submitted. From the user A account I am submitting this record. So manually it is going to select the user, Salesforce Network, click on submit. It is submitted. So again come back to our main account, user A account. We are getting two notifications over here right now. So new, so user A assigned you a task, new opportunity. User A is requesting approval for opportunity. So this opportunity is meeting the criteria, that is more than 80k. So it's so our approval process is performing well. So click on that notification. You will be redirected to that particular opportunity. So approval process, opportunity 1 we had created in the user A account. We are seeing over here new opportunity, the subject what we had created for the task. So now again go to notification, click on this particular. So here we are getting the request, approval request, opportunity approval, it's pending, approve or reject or reassign, submitted by user A account. Date is this, actual approver, that is Salesforce Network, what we had chosen over there, assigned to Salesforce Network. So let's approve this. Done. Approve. So opportunity approved. Approve here we are seeing. Approval request for the opportunity is approved. We got the notification. And again coming back to our user A account. Let's see what here it's happening. Click opportunity. One task is get created, and in the details it's become closed one as per our condition. Like this we are creating the approval process. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.